we're making a centerpiece with this foam ball that you can get at your local nursery, and you're gonna want to put it in water, so you can poke through with your greens, with your plants. So you take it and you just poke through with it like that, and you keep on doing that. And you can use live roses, like flowers and stuff, and fill this up with water, so you can arrange it the way you want and you can keep it alive.
Yeah, and if you get branches, if you get some that have branches down here, you want to make it so the stick pokes through. So go ahead and, yeah, either pull them off like you're doing or use snips. There you go.
And so you want to really make it overflow so it can look pretty. So you just want to rotate your centerpiece, because since it's on the table, people will be all around it. So you don't want there to be a front or a back or anything. You want all of it to look pretty. So you can make this wider than you think. So when you think like you're done, just keep on going, because you can make it look really full and bursting and really pretty. And now I'm adding some winterberry. Add a stick on every side. There, I'm going to add something right in the middle of this. At the back.